Suspected KNF and militants attack village chairman. Many leaders greet people on Christmas. And Sivsagar District Administration imposes night curfew along Assam-Nagaland border. Hello and a warm afternoon. You are watching the news today at 1 p.m. This is Maria Pangamam giving you the news in details. Suspected armed militants of Kuki National Front Nelun, KNF and sought and injured Laikot Village Chairman Paul Kivgen over an alleged ransom demand last night. According to a report, the incident happened at Laikot under Sapurmaina police station. Four unarmed women came in a Bolero jeep, entered the house of the village chairman around 6 p.m. and asked him to come out of the house. Later, they shot Paul Kivgen in the leg. Meanwhile, condemning the gun attack on village chairman, the KNF urged the concerned authority to book the culprits and take necessary legal action against them. On the occasion of Christmas, Manipur Works Minister T.H. Biswajit Singh today extended his greetings to the people of Manipur, especially the Christian brethren. In his message, the minister wished for brotherhood, peace and unity in the state. Forest and Environment Minister T.S. Syam Kumar also wished the people of Manipur, particularly the Christian community, a Merry Christmas and prosperous New Year. In his message, Syam Kumar underlined on caring and protecting the weaker section of the society. Phungyar constituency MLA K. Laisio has extended Christmas greetings to the people of Manipur. Talking to the media at his office in Lamphel, Imphal, the MLA wished that May this Christmas and New Year bring peace and brotherhood among all communities in the state.
Lairiba mipum khudingmakki thawai thamoi manungda santi gi ganosu pokpo isanu haibse haining mani amadi lakliba chahi 2020 sidi akoi lamsi peace na thallaba ningchen manaba amata ngai amata oibagi wakhan mipum khudingmak ana ayek leitaba awat apa leitaba khatna chainaba leitaba aigi oina khannadaba mi mayam gi oina apun makhanba mi masam sagi ngak khannaba si tokba chahi si anau si mipum khudingmakti tokhai tadaba akoi tongan khandaba akoi chaukhat thorang lakba chahi oisnu haina mayambo aigi happy and merry Christmas amadi happy new year and very prosperous new year.
Nagas People Front NPF Manipur Unit President Awangbo Nyumai also greeted the people on Christmas. In his message, Awangbo said he feels that this year people are in full enthusiasm for celebrating Christmas unlike before. On behalf of the NPF Manipur Unit, Awangbo wishes everyone, particularly the Christians, on the occasion of Christmas and New Year. The NPF leader also assured that the party will support the BJP-led government in the state in safeguarding the territorial integrity and unity of Manipur.
Prince of Peace, ngasi sugumba Manipur da yam nungai ba situation. Christmas mamang sigumba Christmas mamang da kari su problem laitaduna Christmas miyam yaubiya bagi miyam harau na Christmas ruk yauna na bahana miyam na sumana thorang tauriba sida akhoi su mayam bo nungai bo phungdop loina na Manipur da ingna tapna for the years to come peace Manipur da laibo oishnu and the Christmas asi mayam gi damada muka henna yai phaiba nungai ba peace pangba aduguma Christmas oishnu adugoina na New Year thokpada akoi Manipur punamakki damakta hena afaba chahi oishnu habise miyam da wish tawjare.
Major General K.P. Singh, YSM Inspector General Assam Rifles South and officials of Assam Rifles extended also warm greeting to the people of Manipur on the auspicious occasion of Christmas. The IGAR South expressed hope that the festival will herald an era of progress and prosperity in the region and promote unity, integrity and peaceful coexistence of the communities in the state. The Sivsagar District Administration has imposed night curfew in areas along Assam-Nagaland interstate border in the district. Accordingly, night curfew under Section 144 CRPC has been reinforced from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. in the areas of Assam side bordering Nagaland and thereby prohibiting the movement of any person, group of persons and any vehicular traffic in the 5 km belt of Assam side in Sivsagar District bordering Nagaland. The areas where the restrictions have been imposed are Haluwating, Geliki, and Bihuvur Police Station of Assam-Nagaland border. The restrictions have been imposed to prevent anti-social elements and extremists coming across the Assam-Nagaland border and any unlawful activities resulting in injury or loss of human life, extortion and destruction of national and public properties in the bordering areas of Assam-Nagaland border falling within the district of Sivsagar. Here's a short commercial break coming up next. Moltok Battalion of 26th Sector Assam Rifles organizes pre-Christmas celebration.
Chopstick Buddies, Authenticity of China, now at Imphal. The Chopstick Buddies is a corner store in the Brewbags family, recognized for its classic Chinese foods, personalized atmosphere, excellent service and genial staff members. We offer a range of vegetarian and non-vegetarian foods prepared by expert chefs using fresh and quality ingredients. Please come and visit for the best Chinese cuisines at Imphal, Soibamlikai Jenims Road, Porompat, Imphal East, or contact us at 8731847066.
Young what?
Soktabana loidi.
Wabdo Koknaba Rebalance.
Soktabadu Koknaba Rebalance. Rebalance na haksang salt amadi electrolytes singi awat pa mekatuna. Adongi haksang bu tagat tik na thambang amali. Rebalance habadi electrolytes amadi energy.
Cha singi marakta miyam na khangnaraba Gambhiras Valley Strong City Anoba Chagi Mana Sing Dagi Saba Asingba Amadi Mahau Leraba Valley Strong Tea Asibu Mahau Lobi Nabagi Damak Ngasimak Lebiu Anoba Technique Season Aduna Simzariba Gambhiras Valley Strong City. City asi gram chama chani yankai amadi chamangagi peketa makal kaya thokno fanganjari. Cha asigi mahau lobi na bagi damak ngasimak lebiu Gambhiras Valley Strong City.
Khurumjari Lamjingba Finance na makal khudimaki gari sing haibadi 2-wheelers, 4-wheelers, commercial vehicles amadi commercial equipment singeba loan pisari.
Documents isang changdana amadi processing matam changdana yamna laiba mawongda loan phongbiragani
amadi adom ge achin ba thu bagi damak mayamna wabiragano makal khudimaki gari ke asu bandan dauzare Christmas ke oiba khadaba offer su pisari
akupa marol gi damak lengsin birau Lamjingba Finance Nagamapa Rims Road opposite Militant the Temple natragana
Lamjingba Finance Uripok Hawam Diwan Lekai
aikoi gi phone number 6909959834 da contact tobiro
Mangalam Enterprises. Exclusive and top branded household as well as office furniture items available. Please avail our season offer before first week of January. Offer up to 50% discount. For more details, please visit Mangalam Enterprises, Kaisam Pakisam Laikai, Imphal.
Militant Ambulance Service Manipurna pung kunmari chupna miyam gi seba taujari. Ambulance Service asina miyam da pizariba service singdi yumdagi hospital da pukhatpa hospital dagi yumda puthaba hospital amadagi hospital amada puba yum thang nariba state singda anaba sing puba amadi lauba loinana India gi mafam khudimakta chatpa yarba air ambulance ki service asina chingmani. Masida natana lambigi accident ta lemna hospital da pukhatuna miyam gi mateng pangjari. Adom sunga simak sep taushin biu aikhui gi contact number 9205987988 natraga Play Store da sangbiduna Militant F download tobiu.
Welcome back. Moltuk Battalion of 26th Sector Assam Rifles organized pre-Christmas celebration on December 22 at Moltuk Kemdo, Phaisangjang and Kengjoy villages. The event witnessed participation by a large number of locals. Officiating commanding officer and respective COV commanders and villagers chiefs were also present at the event. A medical camp was also organized at Kengjoy village. Similarly, Kakching Battalion of 28th Sector Assam Rifles also celebrated Christmas Eve. A total of 100 kids from Chakpikarong and surrounding villages, Chandil district, attended the celebration. Taubal Battalion of 9th Sector Assam Rifles organized a security meet at Taubal Company operating base. The security forum was attended by village pradhans, ward members, councillors, members of village youth club and locals of the area. As a part of the meet, the locals were sanitized and updated on current situation existing in the area responsibility. There was also an interaction carried out on necessary measures required to be undertaken by locals in synergy with Assam Rifles for maintaining a strict vigil against illicit activities in the area. During the meet, future action plan in respect of civic action projects like medical camps, recruitment in Assam Rifles and Army, and career counseling for youth were also discussed. Under the aegis of Ram Krishna Mission Distress Relief Work Info Center and with support of ITC, free school uniforms were distributed to 1,244 students of Chingmay Upper Primary School, Chingmay Awang Laikai by Tanga Assembly Constituency MLA T. Robindro yesterday. 26th Sector Assam Rifles under the aegis of Headquarter IGR South met the leaders of Moray West CSOs and chiefs of all villages along the Indo-Myanmar border. The event was attended by representatives of 30 CSOs, which included Hill Travel Council, Tamil Sangam, Meitei Council, Moray Gurkha Samaj, Manipuri Muslim Council of Moray, All Communities Development Organization Moray, Sikh Community, Bengali Samaj, Hindustani Samaj and Marwari Samaj. Village chiefs of Timino, Howland Phai, El Langcham and Mauzang also attended the gathering. Another short commercial break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hi. Wedding sets khara
Sure, ma'am. Sigi seti anu yorokuni, ma'am. Yengbiyu.
Sisam fazadro. Sisam fazadro che. Yam is we.
Mobile furniture wedding season asigi oina discount up to 30% ki khudong chao pijari.
Hai do disi torsia. Oye che, se torsi. Se booking torsin jar.
Lagliba December Kunipan Thangja Numita Private Sports Academy na Sinduna Football Sanari Singi Selection Test Pangthok Charagani Ayuk pung tere taba matamda Loktak Project Football Ground da Pangthok Chagadoriba Selection Test asida Saruk Yabiningba Nupa amadi Nupi Sanari Singna Isagi Aadhaar Card natraga Birth Certificate amadi Passport Size Photo ani Pubidaktuna Yaubidawi Yagani Selection Test asi under 12 years, under 14 years, under 16 years amadi above 18 years haina tongan ba category da Pangthok Chagani Chahi tara nipan mathaki category gi oina khallaba sanori singda thagi lupa lising manga dagi kuntra fawa pigani akopa moral gi dama contact tobiu Private Sports Academy Guwahati contact number 93830-98641 natraga 8730927492 natraga 6009368876 da contact tobiu Sacred Heart Higher Secondary School, Porompat, opposite Doordasan Kendra, Imphal, recognized by BOSEM and COSEM. Admission open for the academic session 2020 for the classes pre-nursery to class 8. With the completion of 30 years of service in the field of education, school is pleased to announce special concession for admission to nursery and pre-nursery. For more details, please contact Sacred Heart Higher Secondary School, Porompat, opposite Doordasan Kendra, Imphal.
Pakhong ama chalake.
Chalune.
Chahi amagi plan tauge haradi.
Phau pambi thabiyo.
Chahi taragi plan tauge haradi.
U pambi thabiyo.
Chahi chamagi plan di.
Ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo.
Icha kaina afaba school haidi.
Lanai coaching tobugi awaba lehendaba. School du da dum changne na coaching tohonba.
Mama mapaga chamana na warak watembi ba.
Gym, aerobic, dance, football, thangta.
Mamang da 12 exam ki topper su putokraba.
Khwaidagi chawba, nanba, khwaidagi phaba school. Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra.
Chumme yam khangi ko.
Yes, only Slopeland Public School Khongjom.
SV Gadwell School, Hautal Thangjam Khuro, Imphal East Pangai Road presents Run Gadwell Run, a cross-country road with the theme Believe in Yourself on Sunday the 15th of December 2019. Why we run? Mind cleaning, time for ourselves, time with friends, teaches us to keep moving forward. Lastly, to believe that you can achieve what you have dreamed of.
Takshila Institute, admission open, courses on offer. Takshila Capsule NEET for NEET 2020 eligibility 12 pass, duration 3.5 months and course fee is 1,214 per month per subject. Batch starts on 13th of January 2020. Takshila Capsule JEE for JEE 2020 April session, eligibility 12 pass, duration 2.5 months and course fee is 1,667 per month per subject. Batch starts on 13th of Jan 2020. Takshila Crash Course NEET for NEET 2020. Eligibility 12 pass and appeared. Duration 1.5 months, 45 days approximately, and course fee is 1,667 per month per subject. Batch starts on mid of March 2020. Admission free for super achievers like position holders in 10 or 12 any board exam, 85% and above in 10 or 12 in any board exam, 75% and above in HSLC for the students of Heritage Convent who are eligible to take NEET or JEE 2020. Hurry, if your dream is to become a doctor or an engineer. What are you waiting for? For more details, please contact Takshila Imphal branch at Takshila Heights, Thamaiban DM College Road, Imphal. Scan the QR code for online.
Adongi gari edu mangkhini haibagi hojikti mipainingai oitre. Subnatagi lupa lising ani chamwa piba Vedlock hairiba vehicle anti-theft lock asina irai laina ngakthokpa ngamle. Device installation su free oijagani. Ngasimang lengsin biro Kulhu Techno Solution, Friends Colony, Mantripukri, Imphal. Buy online at kulhu.com. Phone number 7005117881 natraga 9615227146. Sunday open, timing 7 AM to 4 PM.
Welcome back. The proscribed RPF has clarified that the 8 people apprehended by Imphal West District Police Commando on 19 December in connection with the recent bomb blast have no connection whatsoever with the outfit and its arm wing PLA. The 5th state-level Manipur Singzu Festival will be held from December 20 to January 8 at the Wangzing Kodompokpi District Sports Ground under the aegis of Singzu Yokhatpalu. At the press meet held at Kodompokpi Ground yesterday, convener of the Singzu Festival Committee, Pratap Singh, said that the festival has been conducting since 2016 and this year it will be held on the theme Save Our Indigenous Food, Culture and Integrity. Now we have the sports news. A team of Manipur Kung Fu players left Imphal for Maharashtra today. The team will be participating in the 5th National Kung Fu Championship 2019 to be held at Sai Baba Sakadam, Kanhepata, Maharashtra under Kung Fu Sports Association of Maharashtra from December 28 to 30. 58 players from Manipur will take part in the championship. The players were also accompanied by Manipur team manager S. Rajasor, team coach N. Washington Maitei, assistant team coach S. Rohit Kumar, and General Secretary of All India Kung Fu Federation and TOMTV correspondent Dr. H. Raman. World Cup winning India superstar MS Dhoni has been named the captain of the ODI team of the decade compiled by Cricket Australia. 3 Indians are part of the 11-man team, which includes some of the best one-day players of the 2010s. MS Dhoni, who led India to World Cup glory in 2011, also handles the wicket-keeping duties in CA's ODI team. Apart from MS Dhoni, India captain Virat Kohli and opener Rohit Sharma also find a place in the team of the decade. Now let's have the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. 5 colleges inaugurated. Suspension of Operation Pack likely soon, says Chief Minister. Jharkhand Assembly election results. Soren Roy sign as BJP loses another state. Regulate boardings, hostels, says Students' Union of Kanglei Park. The People's Chronicle. Biren hopeful of resolving UG issues in 1 year. Minister pitches for honing talents of children. FCI RO clarifies on warehouse row. Imphal Free Press. Issues confronting cookies, Nagas will be soon resolved through dialogue. Funding of NSC and IM. NIA conducts searches in Delhi, Nagaland. The Morning Bell. Chief Minister announces Manipur-backed Krishi Karman Award for food grain production. Transfer of IO in rape case demanded for avoiding arrest of accused. Modi says no detention camps. Minister accepted 6th in Assam. Education Minister confers prizes to winners of Kala Utsav competitions. Manipur Mail. Manipur backs award for food grain production, says Chief Minister.
Before we wind up the bulletin, the top news headlines once again. Suspected KNF and militants attack village chairman. Many leaders greet people on Christmas. Sivsagar District Administration imposes night curfew along Assam-Nagaland border. That's all for today. Keep watching Times of Manipur.